I'm going to talk about how you can start a Holter recording. You can start it by 3 methods. The first and most common is start the recording via Bluetooth connection. The first thing you need to do is connect the Holter to the reading cable to read the data out of it. Then you can disconnect the reading cable and then click on Start Recording. And from this list you need to select the recorder with the current serial number and then start monitoring with the selected recorder. Here are some information about the patient. In this measurement tab you can set the awake and the special time, and also whether you like to measure respiration or not. In this MISC tab you can set the record length and the frequency, and also the lead of signal, and as well the filters. And this LCD contrast is for the Holter's LCD. And once everything is set, you can click on Start Monitoring. And now we can see the ECG, which is now coming from a simulator. Here you can monitor the lead off, which I am now generating. And if everything is set and everything is fine, you can click on Start Recording. And once the recording is started, you will get a confirmation window. Okay, so we will wait a little bit to have some recording in the Holter. Now I have disconnected from the patient cable and now connecting to the data transfer cable. And there it is, the short record I have made. So this covers the Bluetooth way. The next is by starting the recording via data transfer cable. This Start Recording button is now Start Remote Recording button. To start this recording, you don't need to disconnect the Holter from the data transfer cable. Just simply click on Start Remote Recording and it will automatically highlight the current recorder. Click on Start Recording without PC. The same setting will pop up just as when you are monitoring through Bluetooth. If you press Start Recording, an information window will pop up in which you will see that if you would like to start the recording, you will need to press the Holter's even button for 3 seconds after you have connected the patient cable to it. And once the recording is started, the recorder will indicate it with a beeping sound, and as well as it will show on the LCD screen. There is a third way of starting a new recording, which I am going to enable now. In Settings, Control Panel, Reading and Recording, and here is a Enable Holter Recorder without Pre-specified Patient Data option, which I am now enabling. And this option creates a dummy patient to the recorder once I am reading it. So now I am going to connect it to the data transfer cable to read the previous record. and an information bar comes up, and it's indicated that the Holter is now set up for remote recording. So you are using this way. You can now simply disconnect from the transfer cable, attach it to the patient cable, press the even button for 3 seconds, and then it will record with the dummy patient, and you can give the necessary information about the patient after you have read the recording from the Holter. So if I connect it to the computer, you will now see a different reading window in which you can check the date of the recording, which is correct. Click on next. You can give the patient's ID, and you can fill the DOB, and everything else, just like adding a new patient. And once it is done, click on finish, and it will going to read the recording.